Police car to help you. $98, $99, and $100. Hey Max! Come on Max! We've got patrolling to do. Coming right up. Let's go! Oh! Huh? What's up? Oh no, too bad! I'm late! No!
Huh?
No way! The fire truck's busted! Come on! Let's go see what's up! Oh man! Now what? Hey Moy! What happened? Help! Hoo Doo! I gotta put out a fire! But the fire truck's busted! Ah! Get in! We'll get you to the fire fast! I will leave the fire extinguisher in the back of the car! Way too many! We gotta try another idea! I've got it! I'll tie them to the roof of the car! Done! Awesome! Let's go! Woohoo! My house! Help me put the fire out! Now! No worries! Firefighter Moy to the rescue! We're with you! Let's do this together! Come on, firefighter! We made it! Thanks for saving my house! Thank you so much! Oh! It's boiling! I need like 10 ice creams! Me too!
What?
Something's up! Let's go look! Blue, are you alright?
I've tried to dodge a rock, and I hit the curb. I've got a cake to deliver, fast! Oh no! What now? Lucy needs the cake for her party at 3 p.m. Oh no!
Max, stay here and help Blue. I'll deliver the cake to Lucy. Hand it to me.
Thanks so much!
Don't worry. I'll be super careful. Oops! Hold on, Cake! Whoa, I've got an idea! All done! You're safe now, Cake Body! Hang tight, Cake! We're going turbo! Oh no! Traffic jam! I'm almost out of time! Let's use our special trick!
Too slow! The party's almost on!
Yay! Officer Hood is here! Hoo Doo? What are you doing here? Got your cake, Lucy! Happy birthday! Cake delivery!
Wow.
Who sent me?
Aw, thanks, Hoo Doo.
Officer Hoo Doo always protects you! Oh!
Oh no! A robber! Help!
Hoo Doo, the cop's here! I got this! Lesson with Hoo Doo. What's up, everyone? Let's start today's lesson. If you're in danger or need help, call 911 right away. Don't worry. Police can call for help and protect everyone. See you next time, everyone.
How are they so fast?
You can run away from us. You will lose. Hoo Doo, conning robber. Wow! I like chocolate ice cream. And I want this strawberry ice cream. Here you are. Ice cream! I love ice cream! Max! Are you okay? I'm fine. Oh no! My ice cream is ruined!
Robber! He's a robber! Catch him! He stole my bag!
A robber? Let's catch the robber together! Okay! Robber! Stop! He ruined my ice cream! Don't let him get away!
You guys go ahead! I'm tired!
Okay!
Jumping table? Simple!
Oh God! We can do it! Okay! Oh my gosh! I can keep my balance! Me too!
Loser! Don't even dream of catching me!
Don't underestimate the police! So annoying! Chase after him! Just let me! Hoo Doo! Be careful! I'm fine! Don't lose track of him! Then I will go first! Okay!
How are they so fast?
You can run away from us! You will lose! Surrender quickly!
Catch me if you guys can!
You won't be able to escape anymore! Stop!
Oh no!
Stop now! He runs too fast! I have to think of another way to catch him! I've got an idea! Let's get started! Take it! Oh! Missed! Huh? So frustrating! You're done! I'm sorry. I'm fine. Where is the robber? I don't know either.
I'm going ahead! Bye-bye!
Don't try to escape!
Never!
Where could he be? Let's split up and look for him. Okay.
They won't see me. I'm so smart. Nobody's here. This is my chance. Ouch! That hurt. Uh-oh. Hi.
Let's see if you can keep running.
Oh no.
You've been caught. We have got the robber.
Police.
This is your bag.
Thank you. Hoo Doo and Max, you guys both are great police officers.
Hoo Doo, hurry up and get in the car for patrol.
Okay, I'm getting it right now. Let's go.
Do you see that overspeeding car? Huh, Hoo Doo?
Yes, we need to chase that car because it was speeding. What's going on? So rude. You shouldn't pass the red light. Lucy looks terrifying when she's angry.
Exactly. Let me help Lucy.
What is that? Let me dry Lucy's fur. I look so beautiful. Bye-bye. Police here! Stop the car immediately! This is the final warning! We'll shoot whipped cream to make the car stop.
Why is there ice cream falling on my head on the street? That car is going too fast.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dino. Let me clean your face for you.
Thank you. Goodbye, Dino.
Remember to walk on the sidewalk. Oh, yeah.
That car ran a red light and also changed lanes, damaging the trash bin.
I'll clean up the mess. Trust me.
I've got a way to make that car stop. Look at this.
Why is the car slowing down? Speed up! Oh, my head! That car is really crazy!
We have to quickly catch up and stop car.
Traffic jam? Easy game.
Oh, yeah! It's really surreal.
I have an idea!
Let's go.
What kind of driving is that? Here's your stuff.
Be careful not to leave it on the street.
I understand. Bye-bye. speed up.
Okay, my friend. I'll use the net to stop the car.
Help me! My car is stuck.
Let me help you.
Gigi, please get off the car now.
Huh?
Do you know that running a red light is very dangerous when driving?
I'm sorry. I was wearing headphones and glasses, so I didn't notice the red light. You're not allowed to run a red light while driving. It can be dangerous for you and other people. I understand. I won't run a red light anymore. Okay, here's your ticket. I sent the fine.
Oh no.
I'm poor.
Whoa! Yay! Don't worry. Officer Hoo Doo will help you. Let's go. Head to the mall. Agree. Follow me.
Hey, wait for me.
Hoo Doo, the lost supercar. Whoa! This cake is really yummy, Bubba Chop. You're right. I could eat all of these cakes. Hey, hold on. There's my part in there too. Oh my god! It scared me. What's this? A teddy bear?
Huh?
Hoo Doo, watch out above. Huh? Above? Oh my! Raining toys? Seriously? No way! Huh? Over there! Catnap threw them! Catnap!
Huh?
Stop! Don't throw things anymore!
Hoo Doo, Baba Chop.
Huh?
Catnap! Why are you throwing things around like this? You could hurt someone!
Oh, sorry.
What are you looking for?
My supercar's gone.
Not here anymore! Where have you been today? Your supercar might have fallen there!
Well, let me think. Today, I went from home to play area in the mall, then to the park.
Don't worry! Officer Hoo Doo will help you! Let's go! Head to the mall! Agree! Follow me!
Hey, wait for me.
We need to find out there first. Understand? Okay!
Yes, I will. What? Well, what? You suddenly proposed to me, right? Oh, maybe you're wrong. I have to go.
Not here! Where is it?
Huh? What are you looking at?
Huh?
How dare you to be like that?
I can't find it! Aha! I found it! It's right over there! Oh no! Supercar, don't run! up! Catch it quickly!
What? It's my supercar! Catch it!
Lucky, I found it!
Wow!
Hey! Why are you chasing my car?
What?
Your car? Yes, my car! I'm sorry. I'm giving it back to you. Don't touch my things next time. Don't be sad. We'll find your supercar soon. That's right. Let's go to the park. Let's go. Hurry up! Hurry up! We need to hurry to find that car. Hey guys, I'm so tired. Ouch! That hurts. What's that? A remote control? It's my supercar's remote. Really? Yes. And just press here. My car will make a sound. My supercar! But it smells so bad. No big deal. Just wash it and it'll be fine. Hey, wait! Your toy's falling out of the backpack. Aha! I got it! You forgot to zip your backpack, so all your toys fell out. Really? Uh-oh. So, it was my clumsiness that made me lose my toy. From now on, you better zip up your backpack carefully. I remember. Thanks for helping me find my toy. No problem. If you get in trouble, call Hoo Doo Police to help you.
Let's start a working day. What an ideal working day. Oh dear!
Huh?
Thank you for giving way.
You guys will pay the price.
I'll be the winner. No, the leader in this race is me.
Stop and move this side.
Lucy is angry, right? Probably so.
This is the maximum speed of the route. But my speed guide showed that you two were overspeed.
Come on, it's okay.
You two will receive tickets for breaking the law.
Lucy is really strict. It's truly a loss of fun. What is it, Lucy? You startled us.
Littering on the beach is prohibited.
It's just a piece of paper.
You will receive a report of this littering behavior.
What?
The weather today is so beautiful.
Stop now! Stop! Cars are prohibited on the beach to avoid endangering everyone.
What an unlucky day. Lucy seemed to be watching only me. Oh, so much money. That money will belong to me. I'm going to be rich. Oh no! I caused a big trouble.
What? Did you cause this?
No, I don't.
Hoo Doo? Oh my god! Did my house just burn down?
Yes.
Thank you for saving me and my property from the fire.
Okay.
It's a pleasure that we are now colleagues.
It's Max's turn to pull out the wooden stick now.
Let me do it.
Oh.
If I had a cool racing car, everyone would admire me. Nice!
What's up?
Try starting the car first. What's wrong? Really frustrating. The car is too old.
Awesome.
Oh, turns out he wants to refurbish the car.
We'll help him refurbish this car.
No, we shouldn't mess with his car.
Lucy,
What are you guys doing?
we'll help Catnap.
Okay.
I should choose a hammer, tape, or glue here. Wow!
No.
It's so hard.
Nice.
Here you are.
Thank you. Give me a screwdriver. Hammer, please. Why did you give me a toy hammer?
My bad.
Nice!
Oops.
You should work more carefully.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Awesome!
Max, open your eyes and see the car.
The car looks so cool and awesome.
What happened? Is that my car?
Please experience this car.
I picked up this item that catnapped her. Oh my god!
What happened?